Hey, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Today we'll be doing a video on Mercedes Benz EIS, electronic ignition switch, reading hash data, and necessary information for you to clone the key. We'll be using the IM608. It's a great tool for anybody out there joining the Autel Diagnostic Task Force. It is a great tool for your arsenal if you're planning to troubleshoot and program modules. Together with that, we'll be using a Gbox to extract the information from the EIS. Using this unit, we'll need an external 12-volt supply to tap into this port. So let me get the 12-volt power supply. Then we'll be connecting to the outlet. Make sure it's a 12-volt supply, or else you'll fry your tool. Let's show you this cord out a little bit. There you go. Alright, so once you have your 12-volt supply connected to the back, the green light should come on, indicating that it's powered on. After that, we'll be using a APB15. This comes with the Gbox. And these are the various connections that you have for various modules in order to extract the data. And it does have two ports, so you can also connect your breakout box or JVCI, like we'll be connecting to it. And this is also an Autel product, which comes with your IM608. This unit here, you can reflash and program various modules as well. So I'll be hooking that up to this port with the connector that is also supplied for the Bluetooth JVCI, which is this one here. This cord, and we'll be connecting it to the back of the device. There. Once you have that connected, we'll set it down. So you don't need much space to work with this unit. I carry it around with me on my car and program on the go at shops that I go to, and program modules they need to install, and they can't move forward with the job because they hit a brick wall. And now they need to call somebody like me to program it. So that hooks up to the Gbox with the APB15 cable to the 12-volt power supply, connected to the wall. Once you have power and everything is up and running, you'll see the green and the blue light come on. And you also hear the chirp, as you heard earlier. So now you want to tap into immobilizer. And of course, it's important that you know what type of vehicle you're working on, and most important, the module in question. So today we're working on a Benz. If you don't see your vehicle on the selection, on your own and select. So we'll go to expert selection. And expert selection, you'll select EIS tool, which is on the top left. And these are all the tools that are available for the Mercedes Benz immobilizers and DMEs. Since today we're working on an EIS, we'll be clicking on EIS tools. First thing you want to do before you select on any of the features, in order for you to be able to read the EIS data, you need to go to the wiring diagram. And you go on bench Gbox, because we have the Gbox. You can also do it just on the bench without the Gbox. It just takes a little bit longer to read the information. Now in this case, we know we're working with a 209. It's from a 2009 Mercedes Benz EIS. So that will fall under the W209 and year model 2006 and newer. Once you've selected your EIS you're working on, you will select the wiring diagram and be here at this page. Now, as you can see, this works for a W169 and a W209, and it also works for a W211. So we're working with a W209, so we're on the right page. Okay, so let's go back so we can connect. Now, this is the back part. So we'll be getting the power from our harness that comes with the Gbox. So the power goes on the left connector, second one on the left, connected. Now the ground right on top of the power, 12 volt. Let's connect that. Connected. Now we can connect the can high and the can low. The can low, 14, green, will be second one on the right. Connected. Now let's connect the yellow, which is the can high. And each one of these cables is labeled specifically. So this one will go right under the green one. So let me connect that. Sorry about that, it's just hard to see. Okay, so we're connected. Some of them are difficult to connect to, others are simple. So if all your connections are right, we should have communication. We should have communication with the unit. So we'll set it down. Now we're all connected. Press escape, escape, and then you'll go ahead and go to read EIS data via OBD2 on vehicle, on Gbox, on bench. It's gonna be on Gbox. And remember, we're working with a W209 to a 2006 and newer. We're already connected as indicated. So now it's going to extract the information to the EIS. If everything is connected properly, we should have the hash information so we can make a duplicate key. And there you go. So the information that comes up from the EIS live, which is a valuable info for you to make another key. You can go ahead and pick your key from the selection of keys that are used and write your new key. Thank you guys for watching. 12 volt auto programming. W209, EIS information, hash data extract using a Gbox made by Autel IM608. Recommend this tool to anybody joining the work task force, automotive, programming, troubleshooting. It's a great tool for your arsenal. Thank you guys for watching.